Make a great choice today with the 2016 Canyon. With one of the most powerful standard four-cylinder engines in the class, the Canyon lets you enjoy 18 city, 25 highway EPA estimated MPG and is engineered to absorb the bumps, handle the curves, supply superb traction, and provide seating for 5, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, remote engine start, traction control, cruise control, child safety locks, trip odometer, compass, fog lights, power windows, power door locks. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.